Let me address one thing. If you guys see and watch a lot of Miss Donna video, you would see that this has now become a humanitarian crisis. The way how humans are being treated, not only by her but also by her followers. As I said, they are very smart, because that she called her plankatarian, they're also a part of the issue. They are very much also a part of the issue. You know, I want to send a shout out to Ashanti 630, big respect. You know, they were the only one that took the initiative to listen and put Maxine concern or statement out there, because everybody was only listening to Miss Donna. Everybody was insulting this lady. Everybody was, but never take a time out to understand life from her perspective. You know, I'm not gonna get into that, but I'm saying that I don't want you guys to send message to my messenger. I want you guys to put it out there publicly, because that is also another concern, that on her page numerous of time people are being threatened, people are being harassed.
God no leave my side. Don't say me wicked, me evil, me everything bad. God no leave my side. It hurt me to see this woman put up me and Miss send it come for me. Wait, me write down your number. Me screenshot you of you. Because I want to have your numbers. Every drugs in a case. In a cake, everybody asks me. I don't even know when store. Send it coming and me put you up on video. You can video them show me tonight, yeah, miss?
Yeah, we can show you what we have.
Alright, so me switch you put it your video there. Me put it in a video, make the planka there, see. Hold on. Oh, it a go. And myself there, they say show. Switch now. Switch it. Switch a video. Show it. What a wicked woman. Show the slippers, the man, the something when she show in her phone. Say, me get them 60 pair of boot. Hold on, this is a old phone you give me. Oh, no, call me, no call no number, I go come up. Hold on, me put it on, put it. A darkness, me I say. I want to see in a light. People wicked to me. Me not say nothing, bring it up. Hold on, no top call me for the number, I go come up. I want you know what you do, bring them come. This is one of them. Lord God, the phone, I don't know if people them not live. You don't allow me phone now, man, I wear the Rastaja. Hold on then now. Hold on. People, I never want to send it to me, so. I want the lady to come at 99, because me, I take me all in cash on my bake and PR if bring them come. Me, Maxine, God never did I go leave me. God never did I go forsake me, because I don't know wickedness. I don't mix up myself in a no wickedness for you do me so. For you tell them the lie, the truth, me ask you for me hard earn money where you thief for much time. Maxine, you is a wicked, you paint a picture of me. If you did say me thief money, I could have come and say, see receipt, yeah. 3 times. Total you send $200 and a parlor, you send 1 to, and 10 isha. $100, that's $300. And you tell me to call your big donor. Because you want people here say, me tell you. Remember say you say me to call your big donor because you want people when know you here say you donate. Remember you tell me say classify you as the big donor. And me say alright, $300 is a good little money. So say you the big donor. Jesus not sleep. Remember me say but you're not a big donor, Maxine. You say you want, me don't know who you know in a phone or who know you. And when you call they say them me hear you from Auntie Donna. And some of them I say, oh, you don't live nowhere, or you don't have no money, and you're in a arrears, and you have big donor for my program. Because you want your name called. Let me talk now, Maxine, because you bring me to that level. You tell lie upon me. You tell lie upon me. You make me not want to come back in a charity. You know why the something they never video because you start from a workers them. And I want box, cardboard box. I want good size cardboard box, you know, come. Can't hold not even 2 barrel. Eh? Come here. Sleepless night, my pitney them beg me, Tommy beg me, lawyer beg me, police woman beg me, prime minister wife beg me not for company. Prime minister wife, everybody, me sorry, I couldn't hold this. It did that kill me. When me see how them have my name all about that do me for things that I don't know about. Miss me want to no come here have your phone number. Jehovah God now leave me could not kill me. Cause me say God say before me thief me walk and sell down here. Me say God before me thief nothing from poor people, before me take people money me walk and kill out myself. Me say God bless me in my hand. See lady I call back here. Me say God bless me in my hand them. Yes, see me here. See them there. Oh no look, I wonder if you not see them.